At the beginning of every semester, you will need to send each instructor an email with the faculty notification letter attached to let them know of your approved accommodations. Begin by logging into AIM. You can find a direct link titled Access AIM on the homepage of the Student Access and Accommodation Services website, which is studentaccess.illinoisstate.edu. Log in with your ULID and password. This is the same login information that you used to log in to your my.illinoisstate. Once you are logged in, your first step is to set up your accommodations for each course. You can do this by selecting the Add Request for your number of classes. Next, select the courses in which you wish to have accommodations. If you want the same accommodations in all of your courses, you can select the checkbox titled Apply the Same Accommodations to All Selected Courses. If you did not select Apply the Same Accommodations to All Selected Courses, each course will be displayed with available accommodations. Select the accommodations you want for each course. When completed, select the Submit Request button. Now that you have your accommodation set up for your courses, you will be able to view and generate your faculty notification letters. Navigate to the Get PDF link listed under each course. Once selecting that link, the PDF will generate in your downloads. Save the file to your device and email the letter to your instructor. The email should include a subject, your name, and a brief introduction of yourself. Be sure to attach the faculty notification letter and make sure that you send the correct class letter to the correct instructor. Include your SAS coordinator to this email. We encourage you to meet with your instructors to discuss your approved accommodations. If after watching this video you have further questions, please contact SAS at 309-438-5853 or ableisu@illinoisstate.edu.